Guys, this is Art with Mechanics Life, and today we're performing an oil change on this 2004 Toyota Corolla. What we're going to do is change the oil, the filter, and the drain plug gasket because they are made of nylon material. Jack up the vehicle, put it on jack stands, open the hood. Next thing what we're going to do is remove the oil cap. And after everything is done, we're gonna get under the car and I'll show you how to take the drain bolt off. Get a jack and a block and put it under the cross member. Just raise it up. After we put the catch can, we can go ahead and remove the 14mm bolt. And then once you got it loose, you can just do it by hand. And when you untighten it, just hold it, keep pressure against the oil pan so it doesn't just drop on you. And then when you know that it's a good time to, like that, to remove it, just pull it out as quickly as you can. Next thing you want to do is replace this gasket. Look how brittle that is. It just broke off on me. What we're gonna use next is a nylon washer made for this car. And as easy as that, we just take the bolt that we just cleaned, put the nylon washer on top, just like so, and we'll put that back when it stops dripping. This is where your oil filter is. What we're going to do, we're going to use oil filter pliers. We're just going to get this guy off of here. All we need is just to loosen it. And just like so. We can put the bolt back on. Like that, and we just tighten that up by hand first. Then we take a rag, we'll wipe everything, then we'll go back to our 14mm. We're just gonna tighten this bolt snug. Do not over tighten this bolt, it just has to be snug. That's it. So that's good. Wipe that off. Now we can proceed to the oil filter. As you can see, just like that. And just drop it in there and let that excess drain out. After that, we take the new filter. This, it will take a little bit of old oil and we just put it on the top of the O-ring right there, and we just bolt it back on. Use a cloth or a rag to hand tighten the oil filter. Never use pliers or the special tool to tighten the oil filter. Make sure it's always by hand. As tight as you can by hand, and we're done on the bottom portion of the car. Let's go to the top and I'll show you how to add the new oil. After we remove the jack stands, the next thing you want to do is lower your vehicle. Move your jack out of the way. So the last thing, you want to add the oil now. This car does take 4.8 quarts of oil, so almost at 5 quarts. And this car takes 5 W30. Next, you want to slowly get your funnel off. And we're going to replace it with the cap at this point. All you gotta do is just check the engine oil. Perfect. Put all the old oil back into the container and return it back to the store if your local auto parts store takes the oil. This is the tools that I have used for this video. It was a 14mm socket for the drain bolt, a ratchet, so head, good be good, or you don't really have to, and the oil filter pliers. That's actually it. And obviously I used the catch can. Other than that, that's it. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. I really want to know what you guys think. Make sure to check out my other DIY videos. I post it almost every day, if not then every 2 days on YouTube, and I would really appreciate feedback on what you guys think. Thanks. See you on the next one.